Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Darth Revan. So without any further ado, let's get into this. The first parts of the figure that you're going to need come from this Mandalorian Luke Skywalker, and you're going to want to take the legs and the hood. I will be adding a camera from this LEGO ARC Trooper. The body of our minifigure will come from the backside of the Mandalorian's torso. The arms and the cape will be coming from this Moff Gideon minifigure, but if you don't have a Moff Gideon minifigure, you should just use the black cape from Luke Skywalker, which I mentioned earlier. The final minifigure you need is a Dark Trooper, and you're going to want to take that distinct head. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look like this, or something along these lines. If you need a reference photo for when you're building it, pause here. Overall, I think this minifigure turned out okay. The head usage I got from someone else, but I don't remember who it is, so if you know who used it originally, feel free to let me know. But other than that, I think it's turned out very well. If you have any ideas for any minifigures that you would like to see me do next, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. Also, if you've made it this far and you're not subscribed, I'd highly recommend you do so, because then it encourages me to keep making more videos. If you'd like to watch any more videos of mine, feel free to click on the links which should be on the end screen now.